Well, now we are shifting our focus to Karnataka, where after reports of SC/ST funds diversion by Karnataka government to fund guarantees, National Commission for Scheduled Castes has also taken a suo motu cognizance of the entire matter and has sought a detailed report from the Karnataka government over the entire matter. Now, in an official communication addressed to the Chief Secretary of Karnataka, the NCSC highlighted the importance of these funds in promoting the social and economic welfare of the SC/ST communities. Now, in the letter to Karnataka Chief Secretary, the NCSC has requested a detailed report from the state government on this entire matter within the next 7 days, stressing the urgency and importance of the entire situation. Meanwhile, politics continues to escalate on the entire matter, with BJP raining fire at Congress, accusing it of trying to oppress the oppressed in this state.
Let the inquiry go on. See, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah always used to try to take advantage. He has now misused the SC/ST funds for the guarantee scheme. I think that's a right case being taken up by the Human Rights Commission or the National Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Commission. I think that's a right direction, and I think the issue should be picked up by them and necessary action should follow.
जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस पार्टी का दलित विरोधी चेहरा दिन प्रतिदिन सामने निकल कर आ रहा है, ये इसका एक और प्रमाण है। कांग्रेस पार्टी की एक खटाखट लूट है दलितों से। पहले कर्नाटका की जनता को लूटा, पेट्रोल, डीजल, मिल्क, पानी सबके दाम बढ़ा दिए क्योंकि कर्नाटका को इन्होंने बैंकरप्ट कर रखा है। अब ये जो गारंटी स्कीम है, इसको पूरा करने के लिए SC/ST के जो पैसे हैं उसमें डाका डाल रही है कांग्रेस। उस पर ये लुटेरा पंजा फिराने की फिराक में है कांग्रेस। मतलब 14,000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा SC/ST समुदाय का डाइवर्ट किया जा रहा है। कांग्रेस असलियत में जितनी दलित विरोधी है, इसका एक और परिचायक है।
Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, who claims himself as the champion of Dalits and backward class, he has been exposed today. Siddaramaiah ji, who claims himself as the champion of Dalit and backward class community, he has been exposed, and this Congress government has been exposed today. Nobody expected this government will stoop to such a level where money that was meant for Dalit community has been siphoned off. So it's a very serious issue.